In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through some of the essential features in Shopify to effectively manage your online store. Whether you're just starting out or looking to streamline your business operations, this guide will help you make the most of Shopify's powerful tools. First things first, let's begin by visiting your Shopify homepage. To do this, navigate to your web browser and enter the Shopify admin URL for your store. Once you're on the homepage, you'll be greeted with a comprehensive dashboard that provides an overview of your store's performance, including sales data and customer insights. It's a great spot to start as it offers a bird's-eye view of how your store is performing. Now that you're more familiar with the homepage, let's move on to managing your products. Head over to the Products section. You can find this by looking at the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking on Products will take you to a page where all of your products are displayed. This section is where you can edit product details, adjust pricing, or update inventory. It's crucial to keep this area up to date, as accurate product listings can significantly enhance the customer experience. Once you've checked your products, you may want to export them for reporting or inventory management purposes. To do so, look for the Export option. It's typically situated at the top of the product screen, often adjacent to options like Add Product or Import. When you click Export, you'll be prompted to choose the format in which you wish to save your product data, usually a CSV file. This functionality is handy for examining your data externally or sharing it with team members who might not have direct access to your Shopify dashboard. Moving along, let's talk about importing products. This feature comes in handy when you're either starting your store from scratch or adding a significant number of new products at once. According to the same navigation options under the Products page, you'll find the Import button right beside Export. Utilizing the Import option allows you to seamlessly add products into your Shopify store using a CSV file. It's a real time saver when you have large batches of new products, since manual data entry can be both tedious and error-prone. To wrap things up, make sure to regularly check your Shopify dashboard. This will not only keep you informed about how your business is performing, but also allow you to take quick actions when needed. Consistently updating and managing your product listings ensures that your store remains relevant and appealing to your customers. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips help you manage your Shopify store more efficiently.